Lord, next year, I'm turning 25. Sana ipakilala mo na sa akin yung taong nilaan mo kung sa tingin mo ready na ako. And true enough, God is faithful to His promises. You just have to wait. You just have to believe. Because when the time is right, the Lord will truly make it happen. So blessed kasi ayun nga, siya talaga yung answered prayer ko. Talagang pinagdasal ko siya and si Lord napaka-faithful naman talaga.
Araw-araw mas lalo ko itong minamahal. Bakit? Kasi ikaw ang binigay sa akin ni Lord. Tutuparin natin lahat ng pangarap natin. Hindi mo na kita bibigyan ng anak. Ayaw mo pa eh. Ayun, maging matured ka na sa desisyon mo sa buhay. Magkakaasawa ka na. Magkakaanak ka na soon.
Take this sinking boat and pour it home. We've still got time. Raise your hope.
Sobrang thankful ako na nakilala kita. For sure, maasar ka dahil sinabi kong ilag mo ko. Pero sige, aminin ko na. Ako una nag-chat sa'yo. Happy ka na.
Falling slowly, eyes that know me. I'm not.
Our relationship was never expected, but definitely become one of my greatest blessings. I want to thank God for giving me the kind of love I genuinely prayed to Him 6 years ago, full of love, respect, and understanding.
Will you?
Alam ko kahit wala na kayo rito, kung masaya ako, doble pa yung sayang nararamdaman ninyo. And I know nandyan lang kayo sa paligid at masayang nakangiti sa akin. Mahal na mahal ko kayo and palagi nyo akong papatnubayan.
Take this sinking boat and pour it home. We've still got time. Raise your hopeful voice.
For
You
the 5 past years, palaging good night message mo sa akin, papakasalan mo ko. And today, it happened, mahal. Today is the day that we will be one in front of God. In your eyes, I have found my home.
take this sinking boat and pour it home. We've still got time. Raise your hope.
Mahal, thank you for being my peace and healing. Thank you for loving the part of me that is not easy to love and understand. Thank you for comforting me when having my anxious moments. Thank you for making me feel heard even in my silence.
Melody, I'll sing it
As the Father loves me, so I also love you. Mahal kayo ni Jesus. And then sabi niya, remain in my love. Remain in me. Do not leave me. Do not separate yourselves from me. Remain in my love. That is the first thing that will make a successful marriage. It is God-centered.
Would you stay the night so I can hear?
Nung pinakilala kita sa family ko, nagustuhan ka agad nila kasi mabait ka, magaling makisama. Kahit sa mga friends ko, ganun din. Kaya, yan ang isa kong nagustuhan sa'yo. Galing mo makisama, lahat ng mga tropa ko, mga partner nila, nagustuhan ka. And then, yun, may mga times na nagtatalo tayo. Pero hindi tayo bumitaw hanggang huli. Then ito na, kasal na tayo.
The long wait is finally over! Mamaya, alam na din! Magkakapuyatan.
I made a promise to hold you forever by the hand, and that I would never let go. So don't
November 2018 nung tayo una nagkita. Hindi ko na-expect na magiging tayo kasi may kausap ka pang iba eh. May mga nilalandi ka pa. Makalipas ng ilang buwan, inad mo ko sa Facebook. Then, the rest is history. Una tayo nakita sa Cubao para manood ng PBA. Unang meet pa lang natin mag-aana loob ko sa'yo. Kasi sobrang bait mo at masarap kasama.
no matter what, I'll stay. Sometimes I get into
Mahal na mahal kita, hindi kita iiwan. Kasama mo ang wabang buhay. Siyempre, hindi ko rin papabayaan ng family mo.
nobody will ever.
Magiging maganda ang future natin, promise. I love you so much.
And although we might will drift and fall time after time, I'll be there through.
I promise to love you and to honor our commitment every day. I promise to love with you in times of joy and comfort you in times of sorrow. I promise to be your partner, your confidant, and your greatest supporter as always.
Cause I made a promise to hold you forever by the hand, and that I would never let go. So don't worry, here I'll stand to remind you like the first time. I will always love you more than yesterday, and no matter what,
I am so grateful to walk this new path. Mahal, palagi mo akong kakampi. Tayo lang hanggang dulo. Tayo mahal.
Huwag kayo matakot. Kasi hindi lang naman kayong dalawa ang nagmamahalan. Mahal kayo ng Diyos at sasamahan niya kayo sa inyong pagsasama. So, congratulations at best wishes.
The first time I will always love you more than yesterday, and no matter